Yo, what's up, everybody? Joe Rogan here. Let's talk YouTube, man. YouTube has become this massive platform where anyone can become a star. But it's not just about the traditional vloggers anymore. There's a whole new wave of creators who are changing the game. It's a jungle out there. Navigating the world of YouTube can be as wild and unpredictable as trekking through a dense jungle. Millions of people trying to make it big. Every day, countless individuals upload videos, hoping to capture the attention of viewers and make a name for themselves. It's a crowded space, and standing out can be a real challenge. But here's the crazy part. You don't even need to show your face anymore. That's right, the era of the faceless YouTuber is upon us. These creators are finding innovative ways to engage their audience without ever revealing their identity. Faceless channels are blowing up. It's wild. These channels are gaining subscribers at an astonishing rate, proving that you don't need to be a recognizable face to build a loyal following. People are making serious cash without ever stepping in front of a camera. Imagine that. These anonymous creators are monetizing their content through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise, all while keeping their identities hidden. No need for fancy equipment or editing skills, just pure, unadulterated laziness. Sounds pretty good, right? You don't need a high-end camera or a professional studio setup. All you need is a good idea and the willingness to put in the work. Well, it gets even better. The opportunities for faceless YouTubers are endless. From gaming channels to educational content, there's a niche for everyone. There's one niche that's lazier than all the rest. And it's not just about being lazy, it's about being smart and efficient with your time and resources. And trust me, this one takes the cake. Imagine creating content that requires minimal effort but yields maximum results. It's the dream, right? Get ready to have your mind blown. The rise of anonymous YouTubers is just the beginning. As more people discover the potential of this approach, we're going to see even more innovative and creative content coming from faceless creators. So if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but were hesitant to put yourself out there, now's the time to give it a shot. Who knows? You might just become the next big thing without ever showing your face. So what is this mysterious low-effort goldmine? Drumroll, please. It's compilation channels. Yeah, you heard that right. Compilations, those videos that string together clips from other videos. You know the ones: funniest cat fails, top 10 anime betrayals, satisfying slime, ASMR. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't even have to create the original content. It's like being a curator of the internet's finest or funniest or weirdest moments. You find the clips, you stitch them together, and boom, you've got yourself a video. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now you might be thinking, Joe, that sounds too good to be true. How does this even work? Well, my friend, it's all about finding the right content and putting your own spin on it. Think of it like DJing, but with video clips instead of music. You gotta find the bangers, the hidden gems, the stuff that's gonna make people laugh, cry, or scratch their heads in confusion. Then you mix it all together into a cohesive narrative. Add some catchy music, maybe a few sound effects, and voila! You've got yourself a viral masterpiece. Section 4. Automation Nation Tools of the Trade for Lazy YouTubers. In today's fast-paced digital world, creating content can be a daunting task, especially if you're juggling multiple responsibilities. But fear not, because there are tools designed specifically to make your life easier. But wait, it gets even lazier. Imagine a world where you can create high-quality content with minimal effort. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's the reality for many successful YouTubers who have mastered the art of automation. There are tools out there that can do most of the heavy lifting for you. From editing to publishing, automation tools can handle it all. Let's dive into some of the most popular ones. We're talking about AI-powered video editors, copyright-free music libraries, and even automated thumbnail generators. These tools can save you hours of work, allowing you to focus on what really matters, creating engaging content. And it doesn't stop there. There are also software solutions that can help you find trending topics. By analyzing data from various sources, these tools can suggest content ideas that are likely to resonate with your audience. It's like having a team of interns working around the clock to make you rich. These virtual assistants can handle everything from keyword research to social media management, freeing up your time to focus on the creative aspects of your channel. Imagine this. You wake up, check your analytics, and see that your latest compilation of goats yelling like humans has racked up 1 million views overnight. It's a surreal feeling, but it's entirely possible with the right tools, and all you had to do was press a few buttons. The beauty of automation is that it allows you to scale your efforts without burning out. You can produce more content, reach a wider audience, and ultimately grow your channel faster. Let's talk about some specific tools. First up, AI video editors like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro X. These platforms offer advanced features like automated scene detection, color correction, and even voice recognition. They can turn hours of editing into minutes. That's the power of automation, baby. But it doesn't end with video editing. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ can help you optimize your videos for search, ensuring that your content gets discovered by the right people. They offer features like keyword suggestions, tag recommendations, and even competitor analysis. And let's not forget about social media management. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer allow you to schedule posts across multiple platforms, track engagement, and analyze performance. This means you can maintain a consistent online presence without being glued to your phone 24/7. Content planning is another area where automation can be a game changer. Tools like Trello and Asana help you organize your ideas, set deadlines, and collaborate with team members. This ensures that your content calendar is always full and that you're never scrambling for last-minute ideas. Email marketing is also crucial for growing your audience. Platforms like MailChimp and ConvertKit offer automation features that allow you to send personalized emails to your subscribers, nurture leads, and drive traffic to your videos. Finally, let's talk about analytics and reporting. Tools like Google Analytics and Social Blade provide in-depth insights into your channel's performance. They can help you understand what's working, what's not, and where you should focus your efforts. The future of YouTube is automation, and the possibilities are endless. By leveraging these tools, you can take your channel to new heights without sacrificing your sanity. So embrace the power of automation and watch your YouTube dreams come true. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. With the right tools, you can achieve more with less effort. So what are you waiting for? Start automating today and become the lazy YouTuber you've always wanted to be. Section 5, proof is in the putting successful channels raking it in. Don't believe me? Just look at some of the biggest names in the game. These creators have not only amassed huge followings, but have also turned their channels into lucrative businesses. Channels like Fail Army, The Dodo, and Dude Perfect have built empires on the back of compilation videos. These channels have mastered the art of curating content that resonates with a wide audience, making their videos go viral time and time again. They've got millions of subscribers and rake in millions of views per video. Each view translates to ad revenue, sponsorship deals, and brand partnerships, creating a steady stream of income that keeps growing. And guess what? They're not even breaking a sweat. These creators have found a way to make content creation look effortless, all while maintaining a consistent upload schedule that keeps their audience engaged. They've figured out the formula, automated the process, and are now laughing all the way to the bank. By streamlining their workflow and leveraging tools and teams, they can focus on what they do best, creating content that people love. It's enough to make you want to quit your day job and start compiling cat videos right now. The allure of YouTube success is strong, and many aspiring creators are inspired to follow in the footsteps of these successful channels. With the right strategy, dedication, and a bit of creativity, anyone can turn their passion into a profitable YouTube channel. But it's not just about luck. These successful YouTubers spend a lot of time planning and strategizing their content. They analyze trends, understand their audience's preferences, and continuously adapt to keep their content fresh and engaging. Engaging with their audience is another key factor. Successful YouTubers build a community around their channel, responding to comments, interacting on social media, and making their viewers feel valued and heard. Collaboration is also a powerful tool. By teaming up with other creators, they can reach new audiences and create content that is even more entertaining and diverse. Cross-promotions and guest appearances help to expand their reach and grow their subscriber base. Celebrating milestones and sharing their success stories not only motivates their audience but also reinforces their brand. It shows that hard work and dedication pay off, inspiring others to pursue their own YouTube dreams. Diversifying income streams is another smart move. Many successful YouTubers launch their own merchandise, create online courses, or even venture into other business opportunities. This not only boosts their income, but also strengthens their brand presence. So if you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, take notes from these successful creators. learn from their strategies, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun with it. Who knows? You might be the next big YouTube sensation.